All right, it doesn't look pretty. I do have the ACDP with the module 16 to do this, but I don't like using the ACDP because when you don't have good Wi-Fi, it really acts up. So I'm gonna write it now. I'm gonna write the data, internal EEPROM. I'm gonna write repaired EEPROM. Initializing the communication. And window is writing. It is writing. And this automatically verifies, so it completed, verified. Alright, I'll be right back when the module is installed on the car. Okay, we're here at the laptop now. I just temporarily connected the TCU. I no longer have the start disabled code no more. That code is because I'll show you in a second. But now we go into actual values and drive authorization, and now everything's good. It's not all red and corrupted and saying not available. So once I finished installing this TCU, this car is gonna change gears the way it's supposed to get it, because it was stuck in park. See, I have it temporarily on the side connected. Mercedes-Benz is a 2016 GLA 250. Was repaired using Hexprog and modifying the EEPROM data. So we should be good now. I'm gonna update and come back with the car coming out of parking and possibly driving. Alright, I almost turned this car in without showing proof of concept. Alright, this is the Mercedes 216 GLA 250. It had the transmission corrupted data. It happens because of the low batteries. When you crank it with a dead battery, the transmission control module gets corrupted. Alright, unlock it. Get in the car. Turn it on. Okay. Turn this light off, maybe you can see better. Okay, you see, this car was stuck in park, and it had the fault code for, I'll put it in the description, something about start not allowed or something like that. And now I'm gonna put it in drive. See, it's in drive now. Reverse. Can't see reverse too good, but back to park, back to drive, and it's in drive now. Let me just move it up just a little bit. You see, it rolls no problem. Back to reverse. Yep, another job successfully completed by AutoKey Security Services. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.